All right, welcome back. American Roulette. Got the chopsticks out. I pointed it right at 15. You've heard me say, I don't like the number 15. A couple times. I don't know why. It's just something. It's stupid. So don't get too freaked out about this. This is 15 and its neighbors. All right. 20, 24. I got it colored in 24, 3, 15, 34, 22. So it's two slots on either side of 15. I got my ass kicked yesterday. The number 15 came out. I've been playing my numbers from 15 aren't working well enough for me. So, I don't know. This is my new attempt here. I'm going to try something new. This card is the 24. Then my numbers from 24. This card's my numbers from 3, 15, 34, and 22. All right, that number, first number of the day. Didn't call it. 6. I got the ball. Here comes 15. There it goes. All right, so 6. Do we have a 6 anywhere? Okay, look. 3. I rolled from 15 and a 6 hit. And 3 is right next to 15, right here. How about a 20? Oh boy, here we go. I'm asking for it now. 20. That was 20. Here comes 15. That number's 20. All right, so now look at there. I had a 20. There's 15, the card for 15. I would have had a winner there. All right, I'm trying to keep track of this crap. Where else do I have a 20? Not there. No, no, no. 36. 34 is just on the other side. That number's 36. What am I trying to say here? Hold on. Here comes 36. I got the ball. I missed it. 36 is that number. 15 is coming. Here comes 15. That number is 36. So the only place I have a 36 is on my 34 card, and that's right on the other side of 15. No, it was the 6. So I hit a 3, and well, that's always a winner. Double zeros after 15. Here we go. So I got one. The 6 and the 36 was a 3 and a 34, just on the other side of 15. I rolled from 15. Oh, look at this. I get a 2. Well, twos are plentiful. All right. 2. I got the ball. Here comes 15. That number is 2. So 2 hits from 24. Right next to, that's 2 over. 34 and 22. Before 15. What is it going to be? 31? Really? 31. I don't know what to make of this yet, but we're going to figure something out. 31 was that number. Right. Uh, 31? No. 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 31 is 20 from 24. Seven. I don't know about that. I got the ball. There we go. 7. I don't even have a 7. That just came out of nowhere. And I wouldn't have had it from 31 either. Alright, so I rolled from the 15 still. Rolling from 15. Oh boy, that was close. I get a 1. That number is 1. 1. The only place I got a 1 is from 22 here. What's on either side of 1? 13 and zeros. 13. And zeros are always. What's it going to be? Ah, yeah, boy. 1. I mean, yeah, double, double zeros. Here comes some 15. There it goes. Right next to it, 1 is double zeros, by the way. So from 22, I get 1 and double zeros. No 13. $24. All right, well, that was from 15. I wouldn't have had 24. 24 from 20. I got to get the ball going here. 24 is that number. There's your first 10. 24 from 34, right next to 15. 24 straight up. 24. 24 seems to be a good number except from 15 and 3. 35. After 15, I know I got that. 35. 35 from the 15, 35. No 35. There's 35 right next to 30. 30, 15, 34. 35, 15. Okay. Where are we? Oh, a 2 again. Huh. Okay. So I'm going to be rewriting from, that was 2. The whole thing that I'm shooting for here is to rewrite my numbers from 15. I get a 2 from 34, which is right next to 15 on the wheel. 24, 2 there from 22. 1, 2, 3. Numbers all right in this cluster. Oh, look at this. Now, do I have a 3 from 15? No. 3. I gotta get it. 3. I call for a 3 when I roll from 34, which is right next to 15. I get a 3 from 3, which is on the other side of 15. But I don't get it when I roll from 15, which is between them both. Oh, stop. Look at us go. 15. Right next to 15, the number's 3 again. Repeater. I think I'm going to put a 3 in here. Why wouldn't I? If 3 comes out a lot from 34, and 3 is in the 3s, which is on it, 26 is that number. 26 is that number. Let's see what happens here. 26 is that number. What do I got? 26s? Okay. I got 1 there. Oh, 26 is just an oddball. Well, 26 is next to 9 and 30. That number is 25. So I'm rolling from 15. 25. So I got a 25. Got a 25. $22. From 15, I don't have a 22. 22. I got one from 24. And I got one from 22. Two numbers away from 15. That number is 12 after 22. Of course it is. I got the ball. That number was 12. Do I have any 12s? One there, one there, one there. I'm surrounded by 12s, but I don't have 12 on my 15 card. So I'm going to put a 3 and a 12 on my 15. Yeah, I'm going to put a 3 and I'm going to change it. That number is 3. Again. 3 threes. This is, I'm just messing around with this. The first time I've actually tried this. I just need some better numbers from 15, and I think I'm getting there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. That number is 27. Hey, look, I got that though. Yes. 27. I got the ball. 27. Thanks for, where was I? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Shoot me a comment if you want. I had a 27. No other 27s anywhere. Right next to zeros. There's that. Oh, look at that. Oh, haha. Okay. We're going for it. 15. Back-to-back 15s. All right. We're going into extra innings here. Look at that. All right. Always bet on the last number. Well, it actually wasn't the last number, but when I spin from 15, that's the card I'm looking at. What's it going to be? What do we have? What do we have? It's going to be a 7. Oh, thank goodness. Last number of the day. 7. Where are you going to be able to see it at? 7. Sevens? No. No, no, no. Not a single 7. There's a hole in the matrix right there. So I'm going to keep playing with this. See what I come up with. I got to shake out what comes up the most. 3. What was it? 3 and 12. Until next time.